Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies without eggs and flour. You'll learn simple substitutions to create a delightful dessert, perfect for those with dietary restrictions or when your pantry is missing key items. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you achieve wonderfully rich and fudgy brownies using common ingredients. Get ready to bake a batch of these amazing treats. For our egg-free brownies, a flax egg is a fantastic binder. Simply combine 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for 5 minutes. Instead of wheat flour, we'll use rolled oats, which you can easily blend into a fine flour. For extra moisture and binding, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce or half a mashed banana works wonderfully. First, melt your butter and combine it with sugar, vanilla, and your chosen egg substitute in a large bowl. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: cocoa powder, your homemade oat flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, mixing until just combined. Pour into an 8-inch square pan and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. To achieve that perfect fudgy texture, remember not to overmix your batter. Stop as soon as the ingredients are combined. Overbaking is the enemy of moist brownies, so remove them from the oven when a toothpick inserted near the edge comes out with moist crumbs. Finally, for beautifully clean slices, let your brownies cool completely in the pan for at least 1 hour before cutting and serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.